have a little quick check of the footing, make sure we're not too far out. I'm sure it won't be. We have been pretty good on this site so far. Engineers just got here. Right, let's go have a little look. $10mm low. 10mm high, which is fucking good. Mm. 15mm low. I like low. We don't like high. 10mm low, lovely. Yeah, so we've got an engineer here. I just wanted to show you how we set out the house. Well, he sets it out and we just go to a pin. He's got this big old... How does it work?
So it's all installed prior to putting these points in.
That's
so
the pin there, look, he's just banged in for us.
So you see on the screen,
yeah,
I have the map of your little footing that you're setting out today.
Okay, cool.
So I highlight the corner I want.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much telling me
how far out you are.
But hold that upright.
Yeah. Right. That's cool.
That corner relative to the total station up there.
Yeah. What's that called? The total station.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 160mm that way. So
is that all GPS then? Is it?
Yeah, relative to GPS, but
yeah.
GPS you don't use all the time.
Yeah. So yeah,
that on there. Hold it plumb.
0.001 mil. Is it annoying that?
It's got to go forward about 3mm.
Yeah. Right.
Little tap.
Oh, we'll be happy with 3mm in.
Yeah, that's what
3mm.
Yeah, I'll get
yeah.
as close as I can.
Oh, nice one, mate. Cheers. Right, so the engineer has kindly put all our points in. I know there's a lot of you wondering how we set our buildings out. We've got our underside of beam up here, look. So this is the height for our underside of beam. We're going to leave that there. We're going to do 5 courses everywhere. Then they're going to fill it up, and then that's the height what we'll be getting to for the underside of beam. And we're all good to go pretty much. We're just waiting for Tom. He's going to be chucking a few gauges in. Johnny, do you want to go and speak to the forklift driver, the thingy, and tell him to get a few more packs while he's waiting? It's time to lay these fucking trench. Gosh.
Got a 2-ton weight from my hairline to my backbone, and it's dragging me around, but I don't listen. All your critics are red, mind your own business. That's right.
corners are up. We're going to run that one through the back now, then I'll just build a corner button up against that. We've had to leave these area fronts down, or backs, these down, so that they can drive in and pull them sheets out at the back and then backfill it. So we'll do what we can today. We're going to do what we can today. Probably won't be here tomorrow, if I'm honest. We'll see how today goes, but I doubt we'll be here tomorrow. Probably back to fobbing, I suppose, I don't know. And then back here probably Monday or Tuesday or something, I don't know yet. But I'm going to get jumping in with the boys and start running in now. Big guns on the go. Tom looks like a commando, look, he's fucking covered in it. Is that all over your face, geese? Look at it, look. Fucking hell, mate, you look like you're fucking... Wrapped up for the day. It's 3 o'clock. Boys done really well today. You have your good days and you have your bad days. This was definitely a good day. We left that down so that they could get these ripped out and backfill this area. They're going to backfill like halfway up here all the way through, and then we're going to come back next week and fill that back through. They've got a screed over there to get on with, and then that will be that. When we've done that, they can finish off backfilling this area. Then we'll come back after the screed and we'll probably take this up to underside of beam. Everyone keeps asking what you eating. So today we have got potatoes, chicken and peas. And we babes. Potato, chicken and peas. So we've got chicken, carrots, peas and a little bit of mash. Real food. Ain't fucking rocket science. Don't go home and eat junk and you might be able to go into work the next day and put another day's graft in.